Hello guys, I am Hitesh Tripathi and this is editorial video for problem C, Grandma Kappa knits a scarf from Code Forces round 750 division 2. Okay, so first we will read the question and then I'll generalize it and we will discuss the approach and then I will show you the code. So Grandma Kappa has decided to knit a scarf and asked Grandpa Share to make a pattern for it. A pattern is a string consisting of lowercase English letters. Grandpa Share wrote a string S of length n. Okay, so till now we have a string of length n. Grandma Kappa wants to knit a beautiful scarf, and in her opinion, a beautiful scarf can only be knit from a string that is a palindrome. Okay, fine. She wants to change the pattern written by Grandpa Share, but to avoid offending him, she will choose one lowercase English letter and erase some at her choice, possibly none or all, okay, occurrences of that letter in string S. She also wants to minimize the number of erased symbols from the pattern. Please help her find the minimum number of symbols she can erase to make a string S a palindrome, or till that it's not possible. Okay, so what the question is saying is, you have a string S of length n, okay, and you have to make that string a palindrome. And to make this string a palindrome, what you can do is you can choose any one character, that is between A to Z. You can choose any one character and you can remove all the occurrences or some of the occurrences of or zero occurrences of this character from this given string S. Okay, and after that you will get a palindrome string. You may or may not get a palindrome string after removing character of any character between A to Z. Okay, and you have to tell minimum number of characters you are going to remove from this string S to make it a palindrome. Okay, and to remove a character from this string, you can choose any of the character between A to Z and you can only remove that character from the string. Okay, any number of times, possibly 0 or all the occurrences of character. Okay, fine. So now let's just see the constraints. For value of n we have constraints 10 raised 5. Okay, so somewhere like n log n or O of n can be possible approach. At the end we have to print minimum number of erased symbols required to make the string a palindrome if it is possible and -1 if it is impossible. Okay, first thing जो हमें प्रॉब्लम में डिसाइड करनी है, दैट सपोज ABCDEF अप टू Z हम कोई भी एक कैरेक्टर को ही ऑब्वियसली रिमूव करने वाले हैं टू गेट द मिनिमम आंसर. ओके, सपोज आई चोज कैरेक्टर A. नाउ व्हाट आई विल सिंपली डू इज आई हैव अ स्ट्रिंग, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग दिस एग्जांपल ABCAACAB. Okay, now I will check that if I can remove some of the A's, some occurrences of A's from this string to make this string a palindrome. Okay, and if there are some occurrences of A by removing which I can make this string a palindrome, I will simply say that for character A I have an answer till now. Then what I will simply do is I will again take my character as B. I will check the answer for current character as B and I will calculate this thing. Then I will calculate this thing. So what I am saying is, for all these characters we have to simply check whether what is the answer if we are taking this character as the removable character. Okay, so I will get some 26 different values of answers and among all those values I have to find out the minimum one. Okay, fine. Till now everything is clear, I hope. Now how I am going to check that minimum, suppose my current character that is removable character is suppose C. Okay, and I have a string ABCAACAB. Okay, and now I have to check whether I can remove some occurrences of C from this to make this a palindrome. How can I do that? To check a palindrome, what we simply do is we take two pointer from a start and end. Okay, we simply check whether these two characters are equal or not in a palindrome because it is a property of palindrome. Okay, if these two characters are equal, then we will simply move pointer to this and this to check these two characters. Otherwise, if these two characters are not equal, okay, then whether I have to remove this character or this character, okay, this is B and this is A, then obviously since A and B is not equal, then whether I have to remove this A or this B, okay, but right now I can only remove character C from the string. So in this case you can simply say that no, there are no moves possible to make this string a palindrome by removing some or all occurrences of character C. Okay, why I am saying so? Because to make this string palindrome, either you have to remove A or B, but you can't remove any of A or B. Okay, that's why. Now suppose this character is A. Okay, now what you will simply do again for checking for A, you will have two pointers here and here, okay, and you will see if these two characters are not equal, what you will simply do, you will compare them. They are not equal, you either have to remove this character or this character, but you can't remove B. So what you will do, you will simply remove this character from the string and you will move your pointer at this position. Okay, now you will simply again check whether B and B are equal. Yes, these two characters are equal, so no need of removing them. You can just make your pointer as this and this. Okay, now you will simply check again, C and A is not equal. Okay, then either you have to remove this character or either you have to remove this character, but you cannot remove this character because this is C, so you have to remove this character. So what you will simply do, you will remove this character from here and you will make your pointer at here. Okay, you will move your pointer to this position. Now till now you have removed two characters, or you can just take count of these characters which you have removed. You have removed two A's till now and you are here and here, your pointers are here and here. You will simply again calculate, these two characters are same, no need of removing them, then again your pointer will move here and here. Okay, and you will again check that these two characters are same, so no need of removing them. It doesn't matter whether they are equals to A or not. Okay, if it is equals to its corresponding character in the string, no need of removing them, but if it is not equals to corresponding character in the string, you have to remove either left character in the string or right side character in the string. So you will simply check whether you can remove any of them. If you can, just check that character is simply equals to your current character or not. If it is, then you remove that character and move your pointer accordingly. But if in case you can't remove any of the left or right occurrence of non-equal characters, you will simply say that no, I cannot make this string a palindrome by having removable character as equals to A. Okay, now I told you how we can find out the count for removable character equals to A. I will simply find out all the count values for A up to Z and I will mark the answer as minimum of all those values. Okay, so let's just go to the question solution. Here's the, let me just zoom it. Okay, so here took input of N, then S, then I marked my answer as maximum value for now because I have to calculate minimum. Then I will iterate on all the lowercase English letters from A to Z or 26 times. Okay, I initialize my pointer as left and right for 0 and n minus 1 and current counter as 0. Now I will iterate in this string until my left pointer is less than or equals to right pointer. I will simply check whether current left and right character is equal. If they are equal, I will simply move my pointers towards each other by 1. Otherwise, if they are not equal, in that case I will simply check whether my left character is equals to my current removable character. If it is, I will simply remove it and I will increase the counter by 1. Otherwise, I will check whether I can remove right one or not. If I can remove that right character, I will simply shift my pointer towards left by 1 and I will increase the count by 1. Or else, if I cannot remove left and right character both, because they are not equals to a removable character. I will simply make my counter as -1, because this is the case when using this removable character C, I cannot make this string palindrome. Okay, and I will simply break from here. I will simply check whether using current character C as a removable character, I can make the current string palindrome or not. If I can, I will simply update my answer as minimum of answer and current count. Otherwise, I will do no update in the answer. And at the end, I will simply check whether my answer is still equals to int max. If it is, then there are no character which we can use to make the string palindrome. Otherwise, I will simply put the minimum value of answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Just like and subscribe this YouTube channel.